Good evening everybody, and once again welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are gonna do a hands-on lab and learn how you can get deeper insights of your data lakes by using Lakeview, a tool by OneHouse. Also a quick note, Lakeview is also absolutely free for the community edition. So let's get started with Lakeview. Again, I am on their website introducing OneHouse Lakeview. By the way, I just want to note, and I want to make sure I tell this is the same company also who open source Apache Xtable. So this is the company who continuously are innovating in the data lake space. So today let's use this tool which will allow us to see deeper insight into our data lake, such as total records, total size, average file size, average size of a partition, and much more, right? So let's learn on how to get started with Lakeview. All right, so step one, you need an account, of course, and you can quickly do that by going to this website, https://cloud.onehouse.ai/lakeview/signup. So open it up on your incognito, and then here you can click on a new user, and then you can basically sign up with your Gmail account, Microsoft, or an email. I'm gonna do that with my Gmail account, so I'm just gonna click on over here, and then I'm gonna click on continue, and then I am on the platform. Now once you're on the platform, you need to copy the project ID and the user ID. I'll show you where you can find them. You can see your logo on the top right side corner. You click on that and make sure to copy your user ID and project ID on Notepad. Once you have done that, now we need to generate the API keys. So I'll show you the steps. So come to settings over here, as you can see, and then you can go to API settings and click on generate new token. I'm just gonna call it learn, and then I'm gonna click on generate. Now simply copy this API key and secret key in your Notepad. All right, so now once you have copied your user ID, project ID, and the API keys, the next step is we need to download the jar file. So we can head over to this Google Drive link, as you can see over here. And over here, we only need Hudi metadata extractor -release version 0.9.1-all.jar. This jar, download it, and then go to your S3, create a folder called jar. As you can see, I already have one. And then simply upload your jar file over here. As you can see, I already have one over here. All right, so now we wanna push our matrix to this platform so we can visualize it, right? I do have a sample Hudi table to show you. Here you can see silver invoice, and I have some bunch of fake data into it. Now again, there are other deployment options, but I am more focused to show you about AWS Glue approach. So now we're gonna go ahead and create a Glue job on our AWS management console. So come to Glue over here, and then simply head over to ETL jobs. After that, you can click on script editor, click on empty Spark, click on create script, and then simply copy paste this particular template over here. I've already done that, okay? And then let me walk you over the job details quickly. So again, I have given the name as Hudi Lakeview, give it a description, use the appropriate IAM role, type would be Spark, the Glue version would be 4.0, language would be Python, worker type, I'm using G1X, and I'm only using 2 workers for now. It's more than enough for this, right? And come to the bottom section, that is advanced properties. And then the only thing that we need to do is over here. You see this dependent jar path and reference file path. We uploaded that jar file on S3, right? Paste the particular path over here, as you can see over here. Now simple, right? We just need our job parameters. So here you can see API key, API secret, base path, where my Hudi data lake is, project ID, region, and lake name. So all the parameters are here. And now click on save. Now all I need to do is simply run the job. So I have started the job. As you can see, the job is now in the running state. Let me resume the video once the job is complete. My Glue job is finally complete. As you can see, it's in the succeeded state. And let's go to the Lakeview platform. So now I can come here. I can automatically see data lakes, right? and I can see my Glue database which I had, which is default. If I expand that, I see a table called invoice. And now I can see all the insights about that table. Again, this is a test or a demo table that I have, but you will see beautiful insights about this particular table. So let's wait for the KPIs to be loaded. As you can see, I'm able to see total number of records. I have 5 records. Storage size, I can see. Average file size, I can see that. Average size of partition, I can also see that. How much records are returned per day, I can see that. I can also see a beautiful graph over here. I can see the commit history, as you can see, beautiful. I can see that cleaning happened, right? I can also go ahead and see partition insight. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. It's literally that simple to integrate Lakeview with your Hudi tables. So all you need is download the jar file, upload the jar file on S3. Again, I showed you using Glue. Download the template, upload the Glue job, change the parameter, and run your Glue jobs on schedule. And now you can completely have deeper insights into your data lake with Lakeview. And also, it's absolutely free for the community. Thank you so much. If you have any further questions, you may leave your question in the comment window. I'll be more than happy to answer them. With that being said, keep smiling, keep programming, and I'll see you in the next video.